Alright! You see Kirk Douglas, it's like it's gonna be a good movie. A good old movie with Kirk Douglas. We have the girl that has the attitude and maybe was the inspiration for Mia Wallace. Today's letter, before I forget, today's letter is, and forever will be, B. So the film is beautiful, the story is impactful, with a main protagonist that actually has a true inner conflict, true values he can't get over. The villain is his old friend. One man cannot contain the vision for the whole reality.